Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video we discuss on Chrome MSI. First of all, what is Chrome MSI? What is Chrome MSI? Chrome MSI machine specific installation is a feature offered by Google Chrome that allows users to install the browser on their computer without requiring administrator rights. This means that user can download and install Chrome directly from the web, and rather than having to obtain it through a software distribution channel such as Microsoft Installer MSI. To use Chrome MSI, users simply need to visit the Chrome website and click on the download button. The installer will then be downloaded automatically, and once completed, the user can run the installation process without needing to enter any administration's coordinates. Once installed, Chrome will appear in the start menu just like any other program, allowing user to easily launch and manage the browser. How to install Chrome MSI? Go to the Chrome website at www.google.com.chrome. Click on the download Chrome button. Click the appropriate version of Chrome for your operating system, Windows, macOS or Linux. Click on the accept and install button to begin downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompt to install Chrome. During the installation process, you may be asked to accept the term of service and privacy policy. Be sure that read them carefully before agreeing. After installation Chrome, you can find it on your system menu or application folder depending on your specific system. Launch Chrome and start using it anyway. That's it. With this simple step, you should be able to successfully install Google Chrome MSI on your computer. How to manage Chrome MSI developments? Managing Chrome MSI development involves ensuring that the latest version of the browser is installed on all devices within an organization. One way to do this by creations a development script and automates the update process. This script can check the current version of Chrome on each device and compare it to the latest available version. Another important aspect of managing Chrome MSI development is configuring policies to control how Chrome behaves on managed devices. For example, administrations can set policies to disable certain features such as incognito mode or to enforce specific security settings. These policies can be applied to individual devices or group of devices, providing granular control over how Google Chrome is used with an organization. Finally, monitoring Chrome MSI development is crucial to ensure that they are functioning correctly and identify potential issues early on. Administrators can use tools such as Google Chrome Management Console to monitor usage patterns, track update, and troubleshoot problems. Benefits of using Chrome MSI. Simplified development process. Chrome MSI simplifies the development process by eliminating the need to manually download and install Chrome on each machine. Instead, IT staff can create a single package that contains all the necessary files and configurations, making it easier to roll out Chrome across the entire organizations. Centralized management. Chrome MSI provides centralized management capabilities, allowing IT staff to remotely configure and manage Chrome settings on all machines. This includes setup, default search engines, homepage, and extensions, as well as enforcing security policies and restrictions. Easy rollback. In case of any issues or errors during the development process, Chrome MSI make it easy to roll back changes to a previous state. This helps prevent downtime and minimize distributions to business operations. Improved security. Chrome MSI offers security features compared to traditional Chrome deployment methods. Better performance. Chrome MSI optimizes performance by preloading frequently used resources and assets, reducing page load time and improving overall browsing experience. Thank you for watching the video.